me now? Am I not a fine boy? All the girls in this school, they want to have me as their boyfriend. Yet I'm begging you, promising you everything. Just tell me what you want and I will do it. Just accept me as your boyfriend. Huh? Come here.
Ades and Ngozi, I don't know what you people are doing standing behind me. If you don't want us to go home together, you say so. Can never saw some.
But we thought you're talking to Uchenna.
Talking to Onye?
Yes, we thought you were talking to
Well, he has nothing important to say.
Choma.
Are you people coming or what? Nah, Kasike. Shh.
Girl. Is there anything wrong with that?
That is it. You came to confirm whether she's dead. Yes, in the mama won't go pay. I said go. I said I'm
we are disturbing our patients. Please, you can't settle your call outside the door.
But you done enough to me. Oh, you remember about it's me.
We love one another. Look out for each other. Already fame, one day more. When we laugh together. Everything we do it together. Anya bewe, ime bewe, itinotu, ifunanya one day more. We love one another. Look out for each other. Already for you, one day more. One day more. One day.
I want you to tell me what I've done wrong to you. Begelike ife Meg, why are you after me? First of all, you snatched my husband away from me. Okolo abandoned me and my newborn baby Choma in the hospital. Just because I gave him 2 female children, Chiboza and Choma. He took that as an excuse to throw me out of the house and brought you, his concubine, in. Claiming that you have gene for male children. But what happened at the end? The 3 children you have are all girls. Then, why is it that your children want to kill my daughter? Why, Obiageli? Obiageli, why are you after me? Give Megan and Dwa. Haven't you done enough to me? Eh?
What a wonderful sermon from Mrs. Anyanwu. You are just a weakling. Just look at you. Always seeking for sympathy. Look at this long story. I'm not interested in you. Neither am I interested in the tears that you are shedding. If you like, I can cry from here to thy kingdom come. I'm not interested. All I know is that your daughter Chioma incurred the wrath of my daughter Dodiri, and her protective big sister decided to take her pain. What would they?
Madam, we are not here to revisit all that happened in the past. We are here to know exactly what happened, what caused the fight. That is all. No. Sit down. Shoma, what actually happened?
I was coming back from school when both of them were laid and called physics on me.
See. Uncle, she's just lying, no. She's just pretending she doesn't have anything to do with Uchenna.
What is she talking about? Where's Uchenna?
Uchenna is to do the best budget.
It's okay. Kenule.
Mama, if you don't tell me the truth now, I will kill you. Choma, who is that Uchenna? Do you have a boyfriend?
Mama, I don't have a boyfriend, I said. You can ask. I think I don't go see. I don't have.
Eh? What do you expect from them? And tell me, Choma, they will definitely come here and defend you. Is that not true?
I don't have a boyfriend. I'm telling you the truth, Mama. I don't have.
Mama, Chichi is telling the truth. She has even told me one time that boy has been following her around the whole place, disturbing her. Eh?
I was not expecting anything different from you. When it comes to the matter of Chioma, Chibuzo will do everything to defend her. That is you.
Mama, understand me, oh. Eh? You know that Chichi does not tell lies. And who is even this boy we're talking about? Uchenna. Mama, as if you don't know who he is. Eh? He's very corrupt. That useless boy that goes around the whole village looking for small girls to spoil. Eh? You see her fault that he came to her. Mama, you should even be happy that at least Chichi said no. Huh? Oh, fault here.
My God has disappointed him. That boy is corrupt, but he cannot corrupt my daughter. Yes.
Chi, get up, oh. Get up, Binia. Get food for you and your sister to eat. No? One minute, that's here, Sikaba. Oh.
Hey! Yellow name, shameless girls. So, just because of a boy, ordinary boy, hey! Just because of ordinary boy, and you guys wanted to kill your sister. Hey! I said it! At your age! At your age!
Hey, Okoro! Okoro! Okoro, I have suffered in your hand. Oh, do you mean you are really addressing my daughters like this? Okoro, your beautiful daughters here had a fight with outsiders. Instead of standing by them or supporting them, you are here talking nonsense. That's why I don't understand. I don't understand you at all. I don't understand anything about you. What is wrong with you?
That is why I said you are mad.
Hey!
You are stupid. You are foolish. Yes! You open your mouth, you call me and you answer What of other women that used to call their husband D, honey? You're calling me Anyway, that one is not my problem because I'm used to it. Those people you are calling outsiders. They are equally my children. And they became my children before these things. Yes. Also, outsiders.
Lele, walk inside and outside. Lele, get. So what you are telling me in effect now, Bona, those outsiders, those your so-called daughters are better than my own beautiful daughters, Okoro. Hey!
I don't want to talk much. Let me just go.
I know so fast, Okoro.
What
we are not finished.
What else? What do you want?
The business of the day still holds. You told me when you were leaving the house in the morning that you will give us money for food when you come back. Okoro, this is evening. Give us money now. You're not available.
Okay, let me tell you. I was busy working somewhere, seriously working, before a call came to me concerning your children's misconduct. And that was why I came back. So I want to go back.
And so?
I was not paid. I did not finish the work. I was not paid.
Meaning?
You
see this nonsense you are talking? This nonsense you are talking, you go and tell it to your stupid wife. Wait,
do you want to? Do you want to again today?
You have not seen anything.
You stole my clothes.
You have not seen
so
anything.
You stole my clothes.
You have not seen
so you people are fighting me with your mother.
Hey.
And you stole my clothes. You stole
Give
my
us
clothes.
money for food. Give us money.
I want to be piano. Come on.
Go and shop there. Go and come back. We're waiting for you. Stupid man. You don't want to bring money. You want to bring money, oh? I am waiting for you now. Oh, no problem.
Oh, yeah, yeli. Which means, onye bialu yeli. Otu am bialu yeli. Which means that I'm telling something is telling me that if we start this thing, that prosperity will come. Do you know that when I look at your tummy here, I see more children. So see enough.
Let me help them.
I didn't have balloon.
Uncle, Auntie is in labor. Yes, she's in labor and she has been taken to the hospital by my father now.
Please, you understand? Tell Johnson.
Uncle, let's go now, Uncle, please.
Shut up, let's go. Can't I arrange things? You will come, eh? Okay. Please, I will come and meet you in your house.
Okay.
Yeah?
It's okay.
Hey, I will know what I can do.
Your wife has been delivered of a baby girl.
Thank you. Doctor, did you say congratulations?
Yeah, a baby girl.
Congratulations, doctor.
Where, baby?
Okoro, I brought your wife and children back to you.
Okay.
Huh? What do you mean by okay? Your wife gave birth to the second daughter, and you left them, abandoned them in the hospital. Huh? This is making it 1 year, and you did not even care to come and take them back to your house. Okoro, what is wrong?
Point of correction. Point of correction. I left them at the hospital because your sister, my wife, could not give me a male child. Someone wanted to live for. Yes, and you bailed them and took them to wherever. I don't know. What do you want me to do?
Okoro, what have I done to you? What is it that a good wife will do that I have not done? How is it my fault that our second child is a girl? You abandoned us and even refused to give her a name. An innocent child.
Before I forget, let us continue from where we stopped. Okocha, I want to give you this news. The vacuum you created in my house by taking your sister and the children away has been filled by another woman. Yes.
Okoro!
Okoro, my wife is in level.
Okoro! You could do this, Okoro!
Okay,
The baby!
It's
coming!
Hey!
The baby! It's coming!
Help my wife, please. Help my wife. My wife is in pain, please. Help her, help her.
Congrats. Your wife and big pets. A pair of twins.
Thank you. I want to ask you, Doctor. Do you still remember me?
Of course. Are you Mr. Okoro?
Let me ask you, are they boys or a boy and a girl?
Of course, two beautiful girls.
Two beautiful girls. Now, one. When they all massive congratulations, there is no problem. People will come to you and tell you congratulations. We were in pains. That's the way I want to do. You know, some congratulations. Congratulations, Buwaye. Hey! Hey! What did I do in this world? What offense have I committed? I say congratulations. Can I tell you? Can I have biscuit? Oh, can I have biscuit? No, we can't biscuit. You get that going on no man's drink. Can you make it okay?
What are you doing here? I said, what are you doing here?
But that question is I'm sorry, it's a stupid question. Then I don't know what am I doing. Is this not my shop? If I do, what am I doing here?
Come, Okoro. You think you can abandon our sister in the hospital here and you are in your shop? Go.
Now, now, let me answer your question. Your sister gave birth. Yes, she gave birth. But now what I bargain for?
Will you shut up? Huh? No, tell me what you bargain for.
He ain't bargain.
What do you bargain for?
You know what I bargain for? Not me ain't bargain for. You know what I bargain for?
My friend, she gave back to you what you put it on.
I'm just going to sit down. Oh, Mama, if you're in a walk, what do we have to get? No, brother, the boy can't see. What do you get in here?
Okoro, let me tell you something. If you really think that you can maltreat my sister just the way you did to your first wife, you are in for a mission impossible. Let me tell you something. If you want a male child, give her that male child. She will bring it back to you.
I put it before.
Alright. Go inside and pack your up, lock your shop. You will go back to her now. Go inside, everybody.
Come with it. What is that? What is all this? How dare my people know? You know what I call job. Hey, Johnson, come and take care of the child. Let me go. Go to the hospital. Where is Johnson? Hey! What the hell going on?
I'm not called job.
As you can see, we are through with all the payments. This is your receipt. But I want you to do something. You will have to sleep with her this night and take good care of my sister. Then tomorrow you will take her home to your house. But let me tell you something. If you fail to adhere to all these instructions that I just laid out, do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Now listen, and listen very carefully. Make sure that my sister and her kids are not bitten by the mosquito at all. Meaning that you are going to be awake all night.
I want a mosquito.
Get up! Get up! Can't you see? My friend, good. One way.
This side.
Sing it! Sing! Smile and sing. Sing! Sing now, sing. My friend, sing. Let's go and sing. I want you for Norata. Nayokoro. What is it, Nayokoro?
Nana, what is your own problem? What is your own problem? What is the problem? Why are you disturbing me?
Nayokoro, it's not my land, but I'm just trying to show concern, Nayokoro.
One thing I don't understand is this. Why is it that you people keep prognosing on people's business? Now you're showing concern. You are not even yet married. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Why not go and take care of yourself as people concern? How can you show concern for me? Give me a right through.
If this is how married people are, I don't intend getting married at all. Nayokoro.
You are talking to me like that?
I'm talking to you, Nayokoro.
More. I will curse you. Get out from my side before I'm going on now.
Nayokoro. Before you met up, I will listen to you. Nayokoro,
hey! Can you get it? Oh, you poison. I will have to give this poison thought. Nonsense! I said nonsense! Nonsense! Get on here! I will leave this house! You can't make it now! Never! Never! Get on here! What kind of rubbish is this? Get on. Get it started. What's the meaning of this? So this is a conspiracy. Obegeli. Now, before mother war, everybody hear my voice. Obegeli, tell your children to clear the way I want to pass.
Okoro, I said you are not going anywhere until you give me money for my daughter's work registration. You never know about it.
Do you know that you are a very wicked woman? You know that you are heartless. You know that you are very, very heartless. Now, listen, let me announce to all of you. The only thing remaining in this world for me to sell so that I can satisfy your wicked mother and all of you is this house. It's this house. So you people want to kill me. They didn't know.
Papa, our registration is almost over. And we have to register for no player.
Get that bubble. You, look at this idiot. Come on, shut up. Excuse me. Papa, no. Nonsense.
Me, I told you my school standards are bad, though. And if you don't give me new ones, I'm not going back to that school. I'm not going back to that school. I'm not going back there.
Now listen, let me tell you. You are even a suspect. And you are in your game. You don't react, Chibuko. Okay, you people are taking your way.
He did that to you. Welcome.
What is telling you?
Nothing, my daughter. Nothing. Just go and drop your bag. Oh, go and keep your bag. What happened, my cable? They won't jump. This man. Okay. So why did Okoro, I have heard everything that happened. I've heard everything that happened. You know, shameless man. Okoro said maybe useless.
Do you know you are shameless? Do you know you are shameless? Look at the things you gave back to. Look at the daughters you gave back to. Shame on you.
More.
Yes.
Just look at this. Okoro, if it is your plan not to pay wife fees for my twin daughters, Okoro, you fail it. It's one Makaniga where you must pay it too. You must pay the money.
You
foolish man.
You don't
just
know.
Look at your head. Useless thing.
Oh, Biageli, you are making a very big mistake. Result, I saw this idiot, this thing you call your brother, outside with boys playing responsible, useless boys. What are you talking about? They have chosen what they want. Now listen to me. You are talking about Wayek. Why are you talking about Wayek? They have chosen to marry. Allow them, they have chosen their own path. Forget about Wayek you're talking about. After some people, they will just marry and forget about Wayek. Anytime they can take Wayek. This one have chosen to marry. So don't disturb yourself. You don't even know the children you gave birth to. You don't know. These children, they are like you. They are love boys. They
just like you love me.
Where you love me? Where you love me?
You must bring the money. You must bring the money.
There we go.
You must bring the money.
I'm not even ready to answer you. You don't bring the money when you owe, because I'm not saying another one you come back so. You don't bring the money. The one you owe since last month, you've never paid. And now you don't come again, have you?
I swear to God, it never is like that now. There's nobody to that. I won't run you down. You are a family friend. You are my family and your family. We love each other very, very well. You know, I can't think of that. The only thing I want to tell you, and I swear to God, is that if I won't pay you now, I will just come and pay you the whole money. I will not even think of it. All I need is 5 cups of that.
Until you bring that one last month, come. Before I can give you anyone. I'm not come here. Mama Chidera every day. People like you now I think because of her. Come here. See my shop. Nothing there inside.
Mama Chidera, you are forcing me. Please now. It's not when the lady will go. Please, I don't want the man that costs me.
Come on for here. I'm not gonna say until you bring the money for last month first. I'm not giving you any more food stuff. Leave here, I beg. I will not give you.
I want no one does.
I bet they go. Make I know if I want person call you, make I know. Every day I go market and not see anything. They go Najaba. I want to tell to person live here no. Now let me put you.
What I'm trying to say, consider family our relationship.
I don't want again, please. I'm not calling here because of any. I'm the parents now. Every day my mama she there and now I call here go answer.
5 cups of rice.
Leave you fast. I get something.
What is happening now?
Huh?
Where are the foodstuffs?
Please, Obageli, I'm not in the mood to discuss such things. Now, let me just go.
No, it's the lie.
I'm very tired. Let me rest. Go and rest, please.
Oh, you want my children and I to go hungry?
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What nonsense are you talking about? Eh? Have you forgotten how you and your miserable children and brothers closed down my shop and made me dry? When I said, no, I'm calling my money here. Please allow me to go in and rest. Why not?
Oh, you're running. Okay, so what, dear? Just find yourself back to the staff foodstuffs. Nonsense.
How is it? I'm stranded. In fact, it's very difficult for me to say, but I have to say it. Please, I'm begging you. Can you allow me to stay here this night? I will leave tomorrow morning.
Nebe, stay where? Mbao, Mama, please don't allow him to stay here. Let him go to his house and sleep. Don't you have a bed in your house? You can't sleep here.
Chibosa, go inside.
But Mama, don't allow him to sleep here.
Dabimu,
Okoro, the truth is that you can't sleep here. My children and I can't afford to have you around us. Biko,
please don't do this to me. All I need is I just need a place to lay on. That's all. Even if
He had no place to go now.
He had no place to go.
Hey! You will kill him, oh! Nene no give bupe nuka.
Okoro. Emeka. Just respect yourself, Okoro. I get up. Look at this guy. Okoro, don't lead me into temptation. I'll kill you. I move.
God will judge me and you. God will judge me and your family.
Okoro, move now.
Look at what the people are doing to me. But I never want that.
My friend, go. I'm not for any. What I want. When I run, now I got my friend.
Hey, okay, this is my house.
Okoro,
I'm okay. You leave me. This is
Okoro, I'm telling you. Okoro, you're trying me.
Try you out. Oh, because I don't have brother. Come on. Emeka, stop pushing me like that. I'm a man.
What do you mean by
push me? Don't push me like that. I'm going now. Okay, this is where I want to stay. So I'm sitting here. This is my house. So I've decided to be here. This is my house. Are you okay now? You can leave me.
Now listen. Any place you like it within this compound, you can sit. But I don't want to get a report that you left this place. Don't just try it.
Why are you giving me that order?
My friend, listen, I'm talking. Because if you do, I will invite Shade from the city. And you know how he normally gives it to you.
Ah! One man worry, me. One man worry,
Hey! Well, look, Agaracha must do what? Come back. Nangwa, Chowalo son. Chowalo!
Hey! Obegini, has he got into this?
I can't wait for my friend. Can't wait if I think you can run away.
Walk in and sit up.
Look him none also. Look at him. You think you can run away from your responsibilities, Abi?
Hey! Oh, where is he?
Get up.
For what? Get up! How can you order me to get up? It is not my house.
Come on, go inside.
Go inside where?
Get up, let me see what there is after.
No, we don't get that anywhere.
Get up, my son. Look at him.
Let's look at it. Come on, go inside. Inside. No. Look out. Oh, cannot begin. You see me? Go inside. Now, what is wrong with you? Go. Run, baby. I know. My husband left the house very early this morning. Now I'm asking you, where else would he have gone to? If not here, where else?
Hey, Bekele, your husband is not in my house, so I'm not of us.
And I will shut up your mouth for once. No. Was my husband not fine in your house yesterday? Was he not?
Hey, Bekele. What is it? Why are you shouting at my sister?
Who invited you? Who called you? Can't you go where you were invited? Did your sister here not tell you that she hit my husband in her house yesterday?
No, she couldn't have done that.
Oh, I'm not going to know.
I've told you.
Tell me that
is not in my house.
Nonsense.
Take her not on at them.
I'm just telling you. I will go.
Was seen at the back, heading for the city now. Yes.
Hi.
No, come back and take your wrapper. Come and take your nasty wrapper out of this place. What kind of mad woman is this? Please, go inside. Go. Open the gate for me, huh? Or you want to follow her? Open the gate and let me get inside.
When we love together. Everything we do it together.
Hey, Sister Chibozo. Sister Chi. Good evening.
We are fine.
Thank you.
Hey, Sister Choma. Please, we want to see her.
No problem. Let me come. Chichi, Adeze and Ngozi are here to see you.
Choma, how are you?
I'm fine. We came so we could all go for the drama rehearsals together. Remember you were selected, so let's go. Please. I'm not going. Why? What's the problem?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You came to see your friend Chioma?
Yes, ma'am.
No. Nne.
I called her and she came out. Her friends asked her to go with them for drama rehearsal. Fiam! Choma Fepo. She's inside.
What is wrong with this girl? Please, my daughters, don't be offended. Oh? Let me talk to her.
Okay, ma'am.
Chioma, what's the meaning of that? What are you doing here? Why would you shut your friends out like that? What are you doing inside here that will prevent you from going out with your friends? Chioma, you are here sleeping. Oh yeah, out! I said out! Get out!
We are just trying to be your friends, and all you do is push us away. What have we done? Tell us. Please. Please, let's go for the rehearsals. Please.
Doing well, you can be going for the rehearsal, no? Please.
Thank you, Mr. Chacha.
No, I'm welcome.
Bye. What is wrong with this girl? This girl is not sociable at all. And I'm not happy as a mother. No man is around. Chioma doesn't have any friend at all. The only thing you can call her friend is the mirror. What is this?
If I'm not gone there, she won't have insulted us.
Who does she think she is at all? Who wants to be her friend? Ask me. Nonsense.
Mama.
Why are you shivering?
Mama, I don't know. I've been feeling dizzy and weak.
It's okay. First thing tomorrow morning, I'll take you to the hospital. Stop crying now. I'm here for you. Huh? Let me go and make hot soup for you to drink. Huh? That will be okay for you, okay? And stop crying.
The result of the test shows that your daughter is 12 weeks pregnant.
Because we know that sometimes people use some strong language that we don't understand very well. Sorry, you were saying something. What did you say, doctor?
I said, your daughter is pregnant.
What?
12 weeks.
What? Onye? Where is the pregnant? Where? Are you serious? I said you pregnant. Mom, carry on. Is that why I came back to come on, go in. Foolish what? Uzum, just scatter. Foolish girl. What is it? What is it? I will kill you and bury you alive in this house if you refuse to tell me who got you pregnant. The one I know.
What? Pregnant?
Ask me going back out. Idiot. I am Gua, her twin sister. Do you by any chance know any boy or any man who has been hanging around her recently?
Mama.
What?
Mama, I used to see her with Uche.
What? No.
Mama.
Mama.
Uche. You know, always see them often together.
Which Uche now?
The one you know.
Which Uche? The one I know. Another Uche. The one I know, eh? So you're still standing. Come and show me. Come and show me. Come on. Come and show me where he is. I stand up. What's the what? Come show me where.
Madam, are you saying that my son put your daughter in the family way?
Please, teacher. I am not a student, as you can see. I am not one of your students. So I am not here for big grammar. What brought me to your house is that your son here, Uchenna, impregnated my daughter.
It is a lie. I don't do it. Shut up. Man, I don't know what he's talking about.
Idiot.
Since you have decided to be useless, you must marry this girl, whether you like it or not.
I'm not going to. I'm not going
Jesus! No, I'm in love. Choma! Nilo, Mama. Hey! What are you doing? You want yourself? I want to repay you. Mama, give me. Wait first. Hey! I did not mean to break it all. It was losing my hair. And I wanted to reposition the mirror. Choma. Mama, if I hear no more. Don't say that. I don't want to die. Bring this thing. Don't say Etiko. Just bring this here. You want yourself. Bring this thing here. Hey! It's okay. Yeah. Who took my mirror? I've looked for it everywhere, but I couldn't find it. I've warned you severally not to touch it. You have your own. Am I talking to myself?
Mama, Mama, I was holding the mirror yesterday and it mistakenly fell off my hand.
Chibuzo, you broke my mirror. Mama. It was a mistake, Mama. It was a mistake. Mama. You broke my mirror, Chibuzo. It was a mistake. You must replace that mirror within 3 days, or you will not eat in this house for 3 good days. What is wrong with you? Don't buy that mirror, or you will hear from me.
When we laugh together. Everything we do it together. Anya bewe, ime bewe, idinotu, ifunanya one day more. We love one another. Look out for each other. Oh, ready for you, man.
Mama! We just announced on the radio now that ASU has finally called off the strike. Hey! I can't wait, I can't wait. Jesus, So soon you'll be going back to school. AJ, Babi, and Dawson. Sharp, Mama. Hey! Mama! I've almost forgotten everything I was taught in school. Before Gabono. Hey! Please come on. Hey! Yeah, welcome. You didn't tell me you were coming. Mama, this is student week. Then let me come and spend the time with you here. No,
You did well, huh? Well, Mama, I'm fine. What of Joma?
Your sister, she's at home all alone.
Hey, Mama, do you want me to help you with anything?
Problem, I want to see this girl. So how is school now?
School is fine. I'll wait for you to go back together.
And we go together. Then Mom. Oh, hey, how is school now?
Fine, What's again? Joma. What's again? Ebe come here. Joma. Joma.
Please, Chibuzo. It's okay. Leave her.
It's liver. Mama, don't even say liver. Choma hasn't changed though. She has not changed one bit. The same old Choma that I know. Even to ask me about school and how things are happening there with excitement, like other girls of her age, she can't do it. What kind of a human being is this? Put the mad away her. Mama, this one is getting out of hand though.
I think the reason why she behaves like that is because of the rejection and hatred she got from your father.
Did I not face it?
She feels deep hurt inside her. Yes.
I didn't look at it from that angle. Okay, no problem. When I am going back to school, she will come with me. She will stay with me. So that she can meet people, mix, socialize, come out of that her shell. She's not behaving like a young girl.
Do you think she will agree?
Don't worry, Mama. I will try and talk to her. I will try. It's too much.
We love one another. Look out for each other.
Of course I'll take care of her.
When we laugh together. Everything we do it together. Anya bewe, give me a bewe. It didn't know to. If on Anya one day more. We love one another. Look out for each other.
Even the exam that day, the exam tired me. I did as if I wanted to stretch myself because I couldn't write. I opened the question paper. I read it. I couldn't write. I did like this.
I told you to
Alpha, Victoria, what's up? Come on. These people are my lodge mates. This is Jojo. His name is Joshua. We call him Jojo. Very funny. Joe, funny boy. This is Victoria, and this is Peace. Guys, this is my younger sister.
Hi.
Welcome. Oh, she's so beautiful.
You're looking beautiful.
Hey, Putu. Chibozo, you are saying that this is your younger sister? Mr. and Mrs. Chacha. In fact, I am going to pay her bride price.
Hey!
Chibozo, take me to your village. Let me just pay her bride price and marry her off.
You have spoken.
I have seen my missing rib.
Hey!
Let's go, Vico.
Hey!
Oh my God.
Please come to your baby boy, Jojo.
Welcome, baby boy.
Come to your baby boy, Jojo.
Baby boy.
Hey.
Come back in. Come, let's talk.
I should come where?
Continue with your
Have you not seen my missing rib? Let me go and see my missing rib. Oh, come and meet Jojo. I'll tell you later. Oh my God. If I tell her that they can't drink what I did last night, I woke up and come to ask myself whether I sign of malaria and been a typhoid. I dream where I carry woman go church as husband and wife. How can we come? When the pastor say, now unveil your bride, I come out the thing, the veil. Lo and behold, now Victoria Papa is see. Hey! Better say you go back. Go sleep. Now big malaria. Stop. I have no mood. Chicken. Which time got my money for this one? No worry. See, ever since this girl entered this place, she doesn't talk to me, laugh or even smile. Smile when we say people they use smile do promo. I don't see it from her.
You don't want to know the reason why? What did I do this? Because you are too ugly.
Excuse us.
I told you, excuse me.
You better see you blow.
No problem.
Boy!
But I will not marry.
Chichi, I'm already late too, so I have to rush. Your food is in the kitchen. If you want anything else, you know where everything is. You know, take care of yourself. You know, bye. Bye.
My boneless chicken pepper soup. I hope she's around. Jama. Oh, come on, my boneless chicken pepper soup. Open the door. It's me, Jojo. Jama. Jama, please come and open the door now. It's Joshua. Jama, please come and open this door now. Jama. Joshua. My boneless.
Jojo.
What are you doing here? My boneless chicken pepper soup. Please to open the door for me.
Oh, maybe she's sleeping.
Sleep, Papa. I have been seeing Choma through this window. I don't know what I did to her.
Chichi! Chichi! Why did you lock Jojo out? He said he has been knocking since and you refused to open.
Hey, Choma. Why not say the truth for once? I'll finally be watching you through the window. Better tell her that you've been avoiding me. Moreover, fine girls like you don't lie.
No problem, Jojo, you should buy the door. She has opened the door now, Come, let's go inside.
Me, entire. Mbano. Oh my God.
Why?
Before I will enter this room, you girls must appease the gods for standing Jojo Bobo out here. Moreover, I'm very, very hungry.
That's what you would have said now.
All the worms in my stomach are kicking.
Amadioha, come inside, let us appease you.
Must I announce it?
Let us appease you.
Yes, sir. My boneless chicken pepper soup. Talk to me now. Yeah, come on, test now. Huh? What is keeping the rest now?
Our magic is nice. I'm fire. Oh, yeah.
Since are you tired? Still on fire?
Jojo, please. It's not bread that you're eating there.
You don't compare bread with rice. Once I eat rice now, drop in card. Why is she not talking to me? She has been frowning her face since I entered here. Not even ordinary smiling. I can't even see it. And before I forget, my constraint will be marking his birthday tonight. And he wants to have a little get together. So I'm wondering if both of you will go with me.
Mbao. See, I have a very bad quiz tomorrow. Very bad. So I have to read. Come back, come with people. We can tell them.
Okay. At least my boneless chicken pepper soup will go with me.
No problem. You go now. Since you came here, you have been indoors. You haven't gone anywhere, so you go.
I am not going anywhere.
My God will bless you. Boneless, you know, it has been signed by two bulls of him. Please come and taste this bread. This calls for celebration. I don't want to give you bread now. You didn't tell the bread is sweet. Have you imagined where you are taking the soup with that bowl? Just look at the face. Hey! Oh, Tom!
Yeah. You are eating your lunch here. When the rice is done, we'll call you. Go, let me go.
It will be a very big party. Please, you must wear something sexy.
Oh, wait. Chichi, I thought you'd be having your bath by now. And Jojo will soon be here. Okay, you'll see. Wait, this one will be nice on you. Go and have your bath and then.
Sister, I was actually serious when I told you I'm not going for any bath. I don't mind.
Chichi, you will go. You will go. Since you came here, you have been indoors. You haven't gone out, you haven't seen anything. You need to go out and socialize with people. Haven't you heard that they said that when you are here to school, you pass through the university, and you also allow the university to pass through you? Oh, you think people come to the university just to read and learn things? You have to socialize, meet people. Who knows? Those friends will help you in future when you are done with your studies. You go.
I will socialize when going for lectures, during lectures, not during parties. Or go on a party, no. I don't even know how to dance. Then different people will now be in the place. And then somehow looking at me.
Leave that thing.
Am I a student here?
Leave that thing. But you're in a school environment, so you have to behave like a student. That's the essence. And it's not a club. It's not a club where you go and dress shabbily and dance disco. You know if it's that kind of thing. I will not allow you to go. It's just a decent party. And I even know the culture. Last year, his birthday, I went. But I can't go now because of my quiz I want to prepare for. Just go. Go and mix. Socialize. You're a young girl, You're a young girl. You have to mix and behave like your peers. You never know that.
That boy, name me Beribi. You should not touch me. No, he's a man. You must come I will not tolerate you.
You see that boy? If Chalubia. See, Jojo is a decent person. His father is a catechist. Can't you see how he is? And besides, you see all this is long talk. Now here he ends up. He jokes too much. He laughs too much. He plays like a child. But he's okay, and he will take care of you. Nothing will happen to you. So go and get dressed. So see what I brought out for you to fit you. Very nice. Yeah, take. Go. What you are?
You will not be long. No.
Go before he comes.
if Nanya one day more, one day more. We love one another, look out for each other. Already for you, one day more.
It's a long story, but I just want you to help me. Let her stay here for the night. Then in the morning, please wake her up very early. Take her to the park so that she can board the first bus back to the village. Biko. Chi, this is Peter. He's from this. And you're in safe hands. You know?
Shoma, don't worry, we'll be fine here. But Shibuza, what really happened?
Like I said, it's a long story. Just remember to wake her up very early so that she will not miss that first bus.
Shoma, how's it going? You'll be fine, no? No?
When we laugh together. Everything we do it together. Anya bewe, imye bewe, idinotu, ifunanya one day.
Where is Miss Choma Okoro? Huh? You are under arrest for the murder of Joshua Obnachi. Understand?
When we laugh,
give me your hand.
We laugh together. Everything we do it together. Anya bewe.
Hey, brother, what have I done to deserve this? Eh? Brother, they will kill my daughter. They will kill my daughter, brother. They will kill my daughter. They will kill my daughter. We didn't come on the other. Brother, are we murderers? I never murdered. I never murdered.
It's alright, stop crying. Everything will be fine. It's okay. It's okay.
The children I raised single-handedly. Is this how my children are going to end up? Hey, they will kill my children.
Listen to me. If you continue like this, I will go away from this place. It's okay.
No, brother. Hey, they're going to kill my children. Hey, we kill my children. Brother. It's okay. Brother, I am not used to the city. If not to go and buy goods for Malaysia, Jamaica. Wait a minute, sorry. If not to go and buy goods for Malaysia. Brother, I need your help. I need you to accompany me to the police station in the city so that I can see Chibuzo.
My sister, that is not an issue you should beg for. You understand? You are my favorite sister. Your burden is my burden. When the eyes are crying, the nose equally cries. The only problem is that I have a commitment I want to meet up with. And so it is not going to be possible for me to be at the city with you. I am very sorry about that. All the same, I am going to call on the driver of my taxi cab who will come and pick you to the city. His presence there is also enough, isn't it?
Yes, yes. Thank you so much.
So please, don't be offended. Oh, don't be offended. Please, kindly and no appetite. Let me just it's alright. It's alright.
What am I supposed to do? Mama, please, don't worry yourself. Ingo, don't worry yourself. The only thing I want you to do for me right now is to hide Choma. Hide Choma very well. Because the police are still insisting that they have information that I am not Choma. I don't want to take any chances, Ingo. I even went to the boy's house with my brother Chacha to see his parents, but we were dismissed. They insisted the case must be taken to court. Gee, where do I get money to find a lawyer? That is the problem.
Time up.
When we laugh together. Everything we do it together. I'm everywhere, give me everywhere. It did not do. If now one day, we love one another. Look out for it.
Brother, what if the police comes to the village and arrest Choma as well?
Listen, you worry yourself too much. Every little thing you are crying. Nobody is coming to arrest Choma in this village. Nobody. All we need to be thinking about now is how to get a lawyer. Since they are insisting the case must be taken to court.
Brother, that is the problem.
Huh?
That is the problem. Where do I get money to find a lawyer? But I don't have money. I don't have money.
Please give this bracelet to me.
know you would have loved to go with us. But you have to stay. Tomorrow is your exams. All your sister needs is prayers. That's all. Please stay.
Now listen to me. Tomorrow is your exams. You have to study hard. Come on, flying color. Nothing is going to happen to your sister, okay? Now, go back to the house.
It's okay.
It's all right. It's all right.
Listen, so many prayers we need.
When we love together. Everything we do it together. Anya bewe, ime bewe, itinotu, ifunanya one day more. We love one another. Look out for each other.
Miss Chibuzo Okoro is guilty as charged. You are hereby sentenced to 14 years imprisonment.
We love one another. Look out for each other.
Chibuzo! Chama said I should give you this.
I want to wear this your bracelet. It fits my clothes. I pray for you. Huh?
Don't wear it.
Please. This is my favorite bracelet. Hey man, my favorite teacher gave it to me. I don't joke with it. Wear another food because sister. Chichi.
Chibuzo!
God has been very good to me. I was lucky to have been detained at the office where
Are you serious?
Yes. I was also asked to resume work immediately with a mouth-watering salary enough to get my apartment too.
Oh my God! Jesus! I am so happy. See, I am fulfilled because you're living your life and you're living my own life as well. I am very sure Mama will be so proud of you. Mama! Mama! Mama, I'm back! Mama! I'm back! Mama!
How are you?
Oh, yeah. Yes, Mama. I have been retained in the office where I did my youth service. And they have asked me to resume work immediately.
Are you serious?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Chineke. Oh, Chineke Chumogwe. God, I thank you.
I know.
Hey, I'm so happy.
I'm happier. Mama, so tomorrow, I'm going back to the city, Kambidolo.
Because what Promonka?
I have to resume work in a different group. They asked me to start work immediately.
I thought you were going to stay at least 2 weeks with me.
2 guineas? Mama, it was almost a tussle for me to come back here.
It's only me at this house. So.
But I'll be coming. I always come. At least I'm glad I've come. I've seen you. I saw Chibuzo before coming back.
For real?
Yes.
How is she?
Oh, she's very fine. She is.
I'll
always come around, Mama. Don't worry.
Okay. No problem. I'm happy.
Mama is very full, Mama.
Please stop chopping.
Very, very full.
Eat as much as you can.
Nah,
Remember where you come from. Bye bye.
Guess. Guess!
No, I can't guess anything now. I am tired.
Oh, just guess! Okay. UBA has offered me a job as a secretary to the manager! Shut up! Are you kidding? I am serious! No! Oh my god, congratulations to you! This is huge! I can't believe it! Welcome to the league. Thank you. Oh no, we have to celebrate something in the house. Of course. I prepared porridge and fried plantain. Okay, your favorite. That's it. That's it. Oh my god. Go eat. Have a drink on my celebrate. Got a JLB. Know what I'm saying?
What's that?
She works here now.
Thanks. My friend is on her way to get me. I'm waiting for her in front. Thank you, sir. Let's go. Who's that we're talking to? My boss. That's my boss. Your boss? Yeah. I thought you said your boss was an old man. That's my new boss. He's the son of your boss, you know. And the girl? His sister. Wow. He's cute. So, what exactly was he talking to you about? He just wanted to give me a ride. A ride? Seriously? No, don't get any ideas, you naughty head. Let's get a cab. Right. Yeah, he did. Get a bike. Let's get a taxi. Okay.
That was not called for. Why would you offer your staff a ride?
Is there any problem with that?
If this damn thing is What's wrong with it?
You have a problem with her.
God, of course not.
You do.
I don't.
You do.
Oh, whatever.
Don't be a bitch, yeah.
What? Me? You can't be serious.
Well, she didn't take the ride now. You're happy, Abby.
Well,
You're happy.
just don't do it next time.
Okay, girlfriend.
Your sister a bitch? Like, are you serious? I can't believe you, really.
What is it?
Papa, Auntie Chibuzo has been released.
Chibuzo?
Yes, Papa.
How?
I heard it over the radio. She was among the prisoners that were released over their good conduct.
Hey! Chibomao! Chibomao! Hey! I know what to do with this. Yeah! Hey! Oh, your coco.
Papa!
I know.
Brother, why are you so excited? What is it?
Chibuzo has been released.
What? Brother, are you serious?
My daughter had it over the radio.
Hey! Hey! Jesus, I thank you. Oh, my Father, I thank you.
So you
hey, brother!
Hey!
Hey, God, I thank you. Hey! Brother, let's go and get her. Let's go.
Mbano, don't worry, I will do that myself.
No, brother, no. I am supposed to go with you.
Listen, I know what to do. Don't worry. Go and prepare very good meal for her because she will soon be here.
Hey, Chibuzo.
What to do with it?
Mommy,
how do we go? Listen, it is a joyful moment.
Oh, my God.
Jesus.
Hey.
What? No, Mama, are you joking? Oh my God, Mama, I'm so happy. When did this happen? Oh, thank you, Jesus. Father, I give you praise. Mama, I'm coming home. I'll just have to talk to my boss about it. I hope, you know what, let me go back to my office. I will call you back, Mama. I will call you back shortly.
Sorry for yourself.
Sorry, no. Hey, no. Come on. I want to lie down. You have to, you need it.
My eyes are turning me.
Oh, Mama.
Imagine it. I want to lie.
Hey, please. Take her out.
No, sister. How are you? I'm fine. Chichi?
Yes.
Hey, so good to see you.
Thank you. Mama, I'm very sorry I couldn't come as soon as I heard. It was up until this morning they granted me permission at the office. I'm sorry. What happened to her?
My daughter. She slept after she came back yesterday.
Oh, Mama, stop, I'm fine. You're fine. Chichi, it's so good to see you. You're looking so beautiful.
What is?
The doctor said it is skin disease resulting from the poor sanitation of the prison.
Okay, so it's been treated, okay? Are they treated?
The doctor said he doesn't even know what it is, but that we should just wait, that the thing might play on its own. That is just poor nutrition and the dirty cell and things like that. Icky man. I cannot stop smiling.
Please try again. I really need that email sent. Okay.
Miss Okoro.
Sir.
There is a 2-week conference we're supposed to attend in Accra in 4 days. You have been selected to go with me.
Sorry?
You have been chosen to go with me. So, get ready.
Yes, sir. Yes. The email.
Babes, he personally came to your office and informed you of this? Like, he didn't send anyone a messenger, mail or something? Oh my God. This confirms it all.
Confirms what, Marima?
He has an eye for you.
Right.
He doesn't.
He can't.
He does. He does. Wait. Are you trying to tell me now that if he tells you to date him, you would say no?
Your Honor.
Yes, darling sister.
You mean of all the staff in the company, Choma Okoro is the only person you found capable of representing the company with you?
Why not? She's good, she's capable, she's competent, she's personable.
Says who? You and I know you have a thing for that girl. Admit it.
So?
She is not your type. There's this thing about her. I can't place it, but I don't like her.
It's okay, right? You don't, yeah, it's fine. You're not the one going to Ghana with her, you're not the one that likes her. It's cool. What's the problem? I've been telling you, you need a boyfriend in your life. It's a distraction.
Hate you.
I love you.
Hey, Chibuzo. Chibuzo. Chi. What is it? Get in your. Chibuzo. What is happening to you? Huh? What is wrong? Sorry. What is it? I don't know.
Did you report to them? Hey, she fit with you now. Mama, sorry. I'm sorry, eh? Sorry. It's okay now. It's okay. It's okay. Mama, the vomit is still here.
What kind of illness would this be?
Brother, I don't know. I am confused.
Well, don't be confused. Don't be confused yet. She needs to go back to the hospital so that the doctor will make a general checkup. Don't you think so? Hey! I don't like this kind of story. Doctor, how is she faring?
I suspect bowel obstruction.
Bowel obstruction? What do you mean by bowel obstruction?
Whenever she eats, it doesn't digest well. It also makes her to throw.
So what is the next thing to do?
She has to undergo surgery. So you need to take her to a big hospital in the city for proper medical evaluation. And for the skin disease, they will also take care of it.
Doctor, please, how costly is the treatment for this sickness?
I wouldn't know, but it's a bit expensive. So it's not something you joke with. It's not.
Can we see her? Let's go and see her.
Believe me, I really don't know what to do about this.
Babe, you have to keep a high profile. Yeah. In case that your cute boss engages you in a private conversation like asking about your family, tell him you're the only child of a really boy.
What? No, Mirama, no.
Trust me, honey, he would hold you in high esteem.
No. You think so?
I know so. Don't worry, babes, I'll fix it. I have an auntie who is a lawyer and we are very, very close. I'll have her play the role of your mother if the need arises. Don't worry, honey, I got you.
Mama, how are you? Hi, Sister Chibozo.
What? What?
Oh no! Oh my God! When? Oh my God! What about? Mama, let me call you back.
What's wrong?
It's my sister. Her illness has gotten worse. Are you serious?
You can now talk to me.
Don't you think you should control the way you go close to Atichibu and her mother? Because that disease could be communicable.
Kamsi! Kamsi!
Papa, losing Mama is quite painful and I wouldn't like to lose you too. I will tell Jude and Ubaka if you continue going close to Chibuzo.
Now take this cup inside. Take. Let me think of something good.
Welcome. You're welcome.
How is she faring?
Brother, she woke up this morning running temperature and vomiting. No.
My sister, you are going too close to her. This could be communicable disease, you know. You must be very careful.
Brother, if I avoid my daughter, who will take care of her? This is the moment she needs me most.
Meanwhile, I won't be coming to this place all the time. There is just my friend who is a building contractor and wants me to supervise the workers in his site. So I may not be coming all the time. You have to be very careful. Be very, very careful. Meanwhile, did you call Choma?
Yes, I did. But her number was not going through.
I called her too. And her number wasn't going. So I heard the same. I will see you people later.
Okay.
It's alright. I'll see you people later.
What is happening here? Save my phone, Save my phone, you need water. Save my phone, you're smelling. Oh, you show my face. Save my phone, get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here, you want to my water. Get out. Oh, you don't show my face.
Why would you allow this kind of person here?
Sorry, it's okay. This shall stop.
See my water.
You should take it easy now. She's a woman.
What is wrong with you? Can't you see her skin?
Hi. Gee. Oh, goodness. Why did you go fetching water now? You should have waited for me to come back.
Mama, I needed water. I had to go and land.
Hey.
I was thirsty and nobody to help me fetch.
Gee, you shouldn't have gone there now.
Because I have skin problem. That's why I'm not. Hey, Mama, I had too much. I need to pour cold water on my body. Wait. Hi.
Wow, what did I say? Let me say aqua. I can't wait to hear the whole gist. Right. Tell me, how was it?
It was good. It was fantastic. It was out of this world. I can't even explain it.
Oh my god. Just tell me everything.
Oh, it was so nosy.
I know.
And it was good. Fantastic. It was an out-of-the-world experience. For starters, on arrival, it's simple. Hold that. God, what does she want? She's been calling me all through my stay in Ghana. She was calling me repeatedly. I didn't even pick because I don't know what to say.
I'm very certain they need money. Well, you just have to wait till the end of the month when you receive your salary so you can send some to them. Anyways, don't let that spoil the mood. Please just tell me everything that happened in Ghana. I want to know.
No, you want to know everything. You think you just know like that? Yeah, no.
I'm coming with you because I must hear it.
Alright, here we come.
She's still not picking her calls. I don't know if she's still at Ghana.
Maybe she wants her number. And she doesn't want you to offend me.
I just pray she's fine.
Welcome.
Chef, come out and have fun with us. You missed.
Definitely not me. Not with that scheming girl.
I met this friend of hers, you know, supposedly the daughter of the ex-deputy governor of Enugu State. Bad level. These guys are fun.
Really?
What's your problem?
I'm just skeptical about this whole issue now.
No, I'm not fresh now upstairs.
Daddy called. He said you should call him back once you get home.
Why didn't you call me?
Ask your phone.
Shit, tough.
Plus, I'm his favorite.
Oh, please. Why would get yourself a husband? You go marry computer.
There you go again.
Don't get a husband sitting on the computer every day. Go out.
Thank you very much. Husband all the time.
Papa, please get that thing for me. My own are finished. Please get it for me.
It's alright. I will do that.
Okay, Papa.
But don't forget to wash those plates. And then go into my room, pack those clothes, wash them very well. Then scrub the house. Oh?
No problem, but if you're coming back, get it for me.
I know, don't worry, I will.
Bye-bye.
I will, my daughter. Hey, well. I want to talk. No. No. I'm fine.
Please. Can I see you? To go to the city to my daughter's house. This is the address.
It's all right. My sister, you see, Kamsi has been very sick. Very, very sick. You thank God you met me at home. It is quite unusual. She's been very sick. I don't think it is possible. I don't think. I'm very sorry about that, my sister. Oh?
No problem. Let me see what I can do.
Yes, go and try what you can do. Let's go together. Let's go together so that I get the drugs and come back.
Mommy, I'm sorry now. I'm still at work and you know how it gets. You know the pressure and how it comes. I'm trying my best to... Mommy, no!
You ready?
My mommy. Yes. Mommy, please hold on for my friend. He wants to say hello to you.
Hello, Mom. It's Johanna.
Good day, my dear. How are you?
I'm very well, madam. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. My daughter has told me so much about you. Choma is my only child and she has a fragile heart. Please don't break her heart.
No, Mom. I cross my heart. I'll do no such thing. I'm a gentleman.
Okay, let me believe you. Bye. What was she saying to you?
Let's go.
Just a moment.
Let's go around the place.
Mama. Has she picked?
She's not picking her call, so...
Again? Since that time?
Let me try. She's not picking.
You go to your zone.
Let me try.
I have this feeling that Choma is deliberately avoiding our calls. She doesn't want to pick.
Hey, Chibozo. Why would you say a thing like that?
I'm telling you. How come she hasn't been picking since? Is it that she's not seeing the missed calls? Other affair, who do you see? She doesn't want to pick the call.
Maybe
Mama,
she's not with her phone.
Maybe she's avoiding me.
No, please don't think like that. And no, she was a big I know Chioma very well. She's not my daughter.
Mama, if you ask me, let us go and call her from a payphone. Yes, now, let's call her with a phone she doesn't know. Let's see if she will pick. Mama, I think... Okay, I think... It's not...
Hello, Chioma. It's me, your mother. Yes. Chioma, what have you not been picking my calls? Stop.
Not a guessing.
My sister waiting for you to enter.
What you play now for that place?
You don't say this place is rough, eh? Be careful, okay? Make sure you carry them. Just the last street, the first street by your left, eh? Just carry them, eh? Sorry, yeah.
Yes. Now who the knock?
It's me, oh.
How are you? Please, we are looking for my daughter. Her name is Choma, don't go walk. Choma, hold around. I'm making a good come back. We are coming from the village. We think we are. Unless we will sit down here wait for them. But you go tell before you go come back. We go wait. No problem. Thank you. No, hey, jeez. Hi. Oh. Sorry. She's sorry, bro. Who's there? Madam, wake up. Your mama and your sister, they here.
Hey, John. So it is true. Chioma, so you were actually avoiding us.
Mama?
Chioma?
What are you doing here?
Is that the question? Didn't you hear, Mama? Zania, no. It's very obvious you were dodging us. We will call you with our number, you will not pick. But when Mama now called you from a private phone, you will also pick, yeah? Oh, give your man.
Please, let's go inside.
Hi!
Let's go inside.
Such can be gotten from the hospitals in the city. So I brought her to stay with you so we can take her to the hospital.
To stay with me? Hi, Mama. Mama, she cannot stay with me. Isn't this is it not communicable?
It is not communicable. According to the doctor, this kind of disease is not communicable. And as you can see, I've been taking care of her and nothing has happened to me. For our female.
Just wait, let me understand something. Choma, no. Say it in plain language. Are you asking me out of your house?
Sister Biko, I have not said that. How did you come here? I had to ask. Oh, yeah, besides, I'm not the only person living in this house.
Chioma Selina. But you told me you were the one who paid for the house. Wait a minute. Chioma, I hope you are not trying to reject your sister. Because I cannot allow that. So stop looking for excuses. and better go and look for food for me. I'm hungry. Give me food. Let me come here.
I want to bath. I need cold water. Biko, piano. Bathroom, Biko. I don't go there. I want to bath.
Leave me alone. I can't stay in the house with your sister. I don't want to get infected. I don't want to. They're just here for some time. They won't be here forever. That is not true. Let me make you a promise for tonight. Chi and Mama will stay in my room and I'll sleep over at yours. And by the time Mama calls, I'll be in yours. The bottom line is, before you know it, they're gone. Both of them, both Chibuzo and my mother. Please. Chuma, you don't get it. I don't want to get infected. You will not. I can't even stand your sister.
You will not get infected.
I want to drink water. The kitchen is locked.
Mama, it's by month's end when I get my salary that I can take her to the hospital for treatment.
Okay, there's no problem. I will stay with her till month's end.
Mama, no, there won't be any need for that. You can go back to the village. Leave her with me. She's fine here. I will take care of her. She's my sister. Yes.
Choma, are you saying you can take care of Chibuzo?
Yes, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
No?
Thank you.
Oh, God bless you.
You should get some rest now. I'll sleep over at my flatmate's room.
Okay.
Tomorrow first thing in the morning, I'll come and see you.
No problem.
Alright, Mama.
Thank you.
Good night.
Chi? Nedalo. Chineke, can I get you?
She's gone. Mama, please bear with me. You and I have been friends a long time. I appreciate all you've been doing for me right from our university days. Harboring you in this house is the very least I can do to show my appreciation. I hope you don't stay mad at me, because there's no way I would have sent my sister out of this house.
Choma, it's okay. All of this is not important right now. She's here already and that's it. But I would rather leave your house than get infected.
I already told you you won't get infected.
And if you say so. Meanwhile, You have to go and wake her up. Tell her to go behind and have a bath now that it's still dark. You can't afford to share the same bathroom with her. No, please go and wake her up now that it's still dark.
Wake up.
Chichi.
You cannot use the bathroom with us. So, Kune, I want you to shower outside before day breaks. You know? Kune.
Mana, Chichi, the doctor said it's not communicable, that you cannot get it. Even Mama told you last night that you can't get it.
I do not want to take that chance. Because just quite a risk. Kunte.
So, how do I get water?
There is a tap outside. Calm down. I will show you the tap. Meanwhile, for this morning, you use like a pants bucket. On my way back from work, I'll buy your own bucket. You know? Kune. Come with me.
I get frustrated each day I go to work. I can't just wait to get another job.
My friend, quick whining and hold on to the job you have until the better one comes along at least.
Chichi! Mama! I didn't even hear when you people came in. No. How did your day go? How did work go? Choma. Remember. How did your day go?
It went well.
Okay. I knew you would be very hungry when you come back, so I made rice. Let me go and bring it for you. You what? Who sent you now? Why? You cook skinny, which pot did you use?
You prepared what? Who sent you?
Why will you do this to me now? Listen, my friend. You will finish the entire pot. Emma will use his share. Licha and just sauce again. Can you hold it? What is it? Who sent you?
I understand you guys are coping well with the company. No wonder you've not called to complain of anything.
Come on, Dad. You know we are very capable.
Well, I know. That's why I decided to step aside for a while. I'll see what the guys can do with it.
You did the right thing.
Yeah, sure.
I'm interested.
Yeah.
So, how was your trip?
Well, everything's okay. Everything is...
Oh, Dad, I saw the car outside. I didn't know you were coming in today.
Oh, you mean I have to announce over the radio that I'm coming to my old home?
How's Mom?
Why? She's okay. I mean, you need to see your mom. She's getting younger by the day.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm serious.
It's okay.
Sir.
How are you?
I'm very fine, thank you, sir.
Of course you should be.
Children.
Yes, it is, bro.
And no verse, I beg. The gas for our gas cooker finish. Please, just help me. Let me warm this food with the stove. This is your stove.
Hey, yeah. I don't get kerosene for inside this my stove. Wait, make I don't go buy the kerosene. Come. I'm coming back.
Thank you. Thank you.
What are you doing standing out here with my pots?
You didn't leave anything for me to eat when you left in the morning. And I was very hungry. I couldn't bear it, so I decided to come and warm this dark rice I cooked yesterday here.
With my pots? Out here?
Since you locked the gas cooker in your room.
Oh, really?
Oh my God.
You came to warm. You bunch of embarrassment! Disgrace of a family! Get back inside! Inside! Right now! Rubbish!
Oh my God! Ew! Oh my God! Madam, please. I want to talk to you. Can you please sit down?
You better make it fast.
You're my sister's best friend. And because of that, I see you as a member of this family.
Chuzo, go straight to the point.
I don't understand why you always say bad things about me. Why you always laugh at me. See, I am not the worst person in this world though. I'm just...
Hold it! Chuzo, are you interrogating me? No. You don't have the guts to question me because I'm staying in your sister's house? No, I don't blame you. I don't.
What is going on here?
Ask your sister. She has the guts to insult me because I'm staying in your house? I don't blame you.
What did she say to you?
Choma, I said ask your sister. Rubbish.
Chilozo, why are you insulting my friend? Because I let you into my house. Do you know what Miranda means to me? Listen to me. I will not have you fly into this place from nowhere and try to ruin the age-long relationship I have going on with Miranda. If you're thinking it, then I'm sorry for you because with the speed of lightning, I will have your ass thrown back to the village where you belong. Is that clear? Age-long relationship. Is that what you just said? Would you need me to give you a resounding slap just so my words can sink you? I didn't think so. Choma. What? Don't go now. We have not finished talking. Choma, I'm sick. I'm sick.
Chibuzo, I told you and Mama that I will only take you to the hospital by month's end when I get my salary. Didn't I say so?
I'm not talking about that one. I'm not talking about the dermatologist because of my skin or even the surgery. Choma, I'm having fever and my head is aching me badly because I need to see a doctor. Any doctor, any hospital is okay.
I gave you paracetamol.
Paracetamol is not working. Choma, I didn't sleep at night. My head was aching, banging, and my body was just shaking. Okay, Choma, if it's too much for you, please give me transport fare. Huh? Give me transport fare. Let me go back to the village. At least Mama will take care of me.
Fine. Yeah, right.
Choma.
She opted to return to the village. Why did you stop her?
To the village. Right. So that my mother can come here and grind my ass. No. This is my house. She has to learn to respect me. After all, she may be my elder sister-in-law, but we both know I happen to be the one with the money.
You're right. Money girl. Goodbye, sir. Sweetie, I'm going home.
Get in the car. I'm giving you a ride.
No, you don't have to.
I insist. Let's go.
Oh my God. What do I do now? What if this guy finds out about my sister? No.
Oga, please, move faster, please.
Oga, please hurry up.
Are you sure you're alright?
What? No, baby, I'm fine. Very fine.
Guess I got to know your place today.
Strip down. Yes.
Chibuzo, your sister said you should go inside. Are you hard of hearing? She said you should go inside. Just leave here, go inside.
Madam, what is the problem now? Light no day. Now I make her come stay for outside like this, eh?
Will you shut up? Who asked for your opinion? Huh? Did I ask for your opinion? Get out. Get back to your duty post, you foolish man.
Johnson, leave her. Leave her. Oh. If she thinks she's a woman, I'm not be a karaka. Let her come and take me inside now for her.
Please just go inside. She said you should leave. Johnson. John, go inside. Johnson, please just leave here.
What are you doing on my porch? Just go, go! Can you just go now?
Okay, stop beating her.
Can you imagine this girl's with her? She will always leave your apartment and come sit on my porch with her leprous self. You smelly thing. I said go! Go! This way! This way, go! Go now! Didn't you tell her to go?
I don't know what's wrong with her. Johnson!
Go!
I don't know what's wrong with this security man.
It's okay, just take this inside. It's okay. Baby, I'm sorry. She's just annoying like that. Come here. I'm sorry about that embarrassment. It's fine. I'm okay, darling. Don't worry.
Ifunanya na-agbawa obi onye
Go inside.
And what is this show of shame going on here? Chibuzo, do you intend sleeping here? People, come back inside.
Forget everything. Only your sister go inside.
Huh?
God go see you too. You hear me?
And what is your problem? Would you learn to mind your damn business? Would you?
Waiting no good though.
Huh? Was that for me? Were you talking to me?
No, I'm not talking to you.
Good. You better not be talking to me if you still love your job. Now bounce back to your little hole and stay there because that's where you belong. You come and sit your butt here and organize your pity party with my sister. Get lost, I said!
Yes, ma'am.
Auntie, party is over. Now come inside. Get up, go. Let me trolley me in a compound. Go. Come and sit here and embarrass me. Let me you me enough for sassy. Keep on putting ayalo. Rubbish. Move it.
Hey, baby. I'm very well. You? What? No! Baby, you are so good to me. Okay. Alright, I'll be waiting. What did he say? So my baby says that I should get ready for a 2-day farm trip on over the cattle ranch. Oh, it's a lie. Can you believe that? Well, he says he's coming to get me in a bit.
Babes, you have to go and get ready.
Of course I'm gonna get ready.
Oh my God.
Take a shower, pick out something to wear, really nice. God, what do I wear even? Let's just open this up. Chibuzo! Welcome.
How you doing?
I'm fine. Please make yourself comfortable. Hey, baby.
Hello, how are you?
Very well.
You ready?
Welcome. Okay, you guys should have fun. You know the drill. Bye. All right. Helen? I'm fine. Just say it. Just say you want me to come to Abuja. Of course I will, but are you sure I can still get flight by this time? Alright, honey, I'll see you shortly. Okay, alright.
Choma. Emma. Choma, oh. Who is here? Open the door. I want to ease myself. I want to ease myself. Choma. Choma.
What now?
Sure. I have come to fall in love with you. And I'm not making a mistake, but I want you to spend the rest of my life. Please, be my wife.
Hey babe, what's up? I'm fine, honey. How is it going? He just proposed. He proposed? Oh God, this is so beautiful. Wow, I'm happy for you.
I know. All thanks to you, my teacher.
You can say that again. Anytime, honey, anytime.
Anywho, how's my sister? I hope she's not having any trouble.
Oh, she's fine. She's been good. I'm taking care of her just for you.
Really? Oh, good God.
So, when are you coming back? I used to come back tomorrow.
Come back for Guinea.
The way things are going, I don't think
my baby is ready to let me out of his sight.
Really?
Yeah, he can't seem to get it now. It looks to me like we're gonna be spending another 2 or 3 days here.
Love in the air. Take your time, honey. No, take your time. I'll be waiting for you. And don't forget what you promised me, okay? Not to you. Get off my phone. Bye, babe. Alright, honey. Take care. Bye. Okay, darling.
Yeah, baby.
That was my flatmate. And I'm not leaving you anytime soon.
That's wonderful. That means I'm gonna support you a little bit.
Okay, honey.
I'm fine. How is everything? What of Chibuzo? How is she doing?
She's fine.
Okay. God, I thank you for my daughters. Thank you, Father. Who said the woman is not a child? Look at how she called me Anyanwu Wanyoma. Hey, God, I thank you.
It's too much.
Could it be that?
Which kind rats will they smell like this?
Let's go. What did it smell like this now?
Hello?
Everywhere they locked.
And the whole doors is locked.
Hey! Everywhere they locked now.
What's going on?
Smelling.
Oh my god! 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 Oh my goodness!
Move it!
Merima! What's going on? Merima, what is it? Why are you crying?
I'm sorry.
Why are you in cuffs and why are the policemen here?
Who is she?
That's a sister.
What's going on? Your sister. What's going on? She's your sister? What's going on?
I'm sorry.
What is this? What happened? Ada!
You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. For anything you say now will be used against you in the court of law.
Under arrest for what?
For the murder of Chibuzo.
Murder? But what's he talking about? Wait now, just explain to me what happened here.
Come here. Move it. Officer, move it. Enter inside the car. Young man, excuse me. Excuse me, let me do my job. Excuse me. Excuse me. What is this now? Move it. I said move it.
Put him inside. Let him go inside.
Move it. Move it.
Now what is the problem? Who is this now?
I said move it.
Enter, madam. Enter.
You guys go. What's your session?
Always known there is something about her. I knew it all along.
She didn't even tell me she had a sister. She didn't tell me. Gosh, I'm a fool. She said she was the only daughter of a widowed lawyer. So she put somebody on the phone. I spoke to the mom. I spoke to someone who was supposed to be the mom.
That's okay, my son. Tito has already been right. That's okay.
It's okay. Girls of these days are so desperate. They can do anything just to have a man.
You hear that? You have to be careful from now on, okay?
How's someone supposed to trust a woman again? Never.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. You'll be just fine, okay? You'll be just fine.
I am Johanna, Shoma's friend.
Oh, this is my sister. Okay, so it's you. You're welcome.
Mama, you can't carry on like this. It is good that whatever circumstances are, we should always look on the brighter side. At least I'm here now. I'm here to love you and to care for you, just like a son should.
Are they going to kill Chema too?
No, my father and I are working on getting her a reduced sentence. I believe she will be okay.
Chema is a good girl. But life has been so unfair to her since she was born.
rejection from her father destroyed her sense of self-importance. She became dejected and lonely. Chibuzo sacrificed her life just to make her a better person. But Chibuzo's absence while she was in the university made her get into a wrong relationship. That girl, madam, destroyed my daughter. Madam, destroyed my daughter.
It's okay, Mama.
She destroyed my daughter. She destroyed my daughter.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. You don't have to cry.
Mama, I went to visit her in prison. She gave me a letter for you.
I failed. I failed. I failed, Mama. I'm very sorry.
What is it? Eh? Who are these people? Eh? Who are they?
This is Chacha's fiancé.
You are welcome, my son. That is all right. That's okay. It's okay. I got news that Okoro was found dead in Ogun State. Yes. Okoro is dead in Ogun State. It's okay. That's all right.